Now to set up a boot menu, so when the computer starts up, we'll have a couple configuration options that we can choose from. Let's start by opening our config.sys file. Add a line above HiMem and type menu in brackets. We can also define a menu color by adding a line directly below that. Menu color equals 7,1. Which is a blue background with white text. There are 15 colors available. I will include a table in the description. Add another line and type menu default equals. This is what will happen if the user does not select an option on boot. After the equals sign, type normal, 7. This will use the normal startup configuration and has a 7-second delay. Now to define what the menu items are. Add another line below and type menu item equals, followed by normal boot in quotes. You can substitute normal boot with whatever you would like displayed on the startup menu. Now to add a second menu item, which we can call CD-ROM, and put CD-ROM support in quotes. Add a new line and type common in brackets. Everything that we want to load under all configurations will go here. This is a good place to have HiMem and EMM386. At the bottom of the file, add a line for normal in brackets and CD-ROM in brackets. Then we can copy the lines for the CD-ROM device and paste it in the CD-ROM section. Save and exit the edit program. Back at the prompt, type edit autoexec.bat and press enter. Add a line at the bottom of the file and type go-to space %config%. Add another line and type :normal. Add another line and type :CD-ROM. And add one more line, then type :end. Finally, yet importantly, add a line below CD-ROM and copy the MSCDEX line there. Save and exit the edit program, then reboot the PC. We now have a startup menu. From here, you can either explore the world of boot disks or learn about file managers.